Give it a mallet. It's okay, I can do it. And then screw me the flathead.
I need a water.
There's one right there.
Fuck! Justin. Done. We're
not done.
CV broke. We don't have another axle.
We're not done. With line that goes into the differential.
Oh, we broke our PSI stub shaft. So we broke an inner.
Coming out?
No, they're different. Each side's different.
Passenger, passenger, passenger.
Passenger side. No.
Hey.
No, driver's side. Wait.
Fuck.
Stop.
It's the side the axle came out of.
Passenger side.
No, driver side.
Driver side.
Driver side. Sure. Driver side.
100% driver side.
Different way. Justin, right behind
Okay, let's go. Take this off. Oh,
you. I got no shot for X.
you gotta take this off.
Why can't we use it?
They said take this off, right?
We need inner.
What?
We need the inner.
Yeah, this part. We need this piece. This is what we need.
Yeah, so we need. That's what
Yeah,
we're
Take it apart.
Okay. Where's our broken one?
right here.
Where's, no, bring over the axle. See, bring it out. Matt.
Yeah. And you know it's the only way you're gonna get that piece out. Got it out yet. You got the axle out.
We have another. Yeah, we have another
diff.
Oh, we have a diff right here. I'm prepping.
Is this gonna change lengths right here?
Why is this like different? You have different what?
You.
R200.
That's 13. What the hell is that stuff?
Oh, it's a PSI stub shaft make. Right? Does PSI make their own? Incorporated. Is that not a normal drive shaft shop?
That's a drive shop. Yeah, that's their.
No, ours though.
No, this is the big dude.
Yeah.
And
yeah, we're in
this one. This stub I've never seen before.
Fuck. Okay. Prep the diff. Just keep prepping the diff, and then take the bolts out of the old diff.
I mean, you might be able to just.
Hey.
Justin's got it.
A bolt. Copy that. Starting at 5. All right, starting at 5, guys.
Okay, we got you.
Hey, 5's on, boys.
5's on. Is that all tight, Justin?
Yes, my side's tight.
Okay.
I'm missing. What? What's happening?
I'm gonna move this.
Yeah, right there, thank you.
Are you on the break?
Hey, a long bolt. It's actually a long bolt. Go over there.
Right here, what size? Any of them?
Does any have a Lord Norlock on them?
I got a Nordlock right here.
Hey, give me that one. That's the one I need.
Well, I just found a Nordlock, so. Oh, wait, no, it's right here, it's right here.
Cool.
Are you on the break, Matt?
I need impact. I need the one. I need the zip zip.
It's
Small or
right here.
big?
Crunch.
Zip zip.
How many more you got?
Can't do it with the zip zip. I need all these bolts tightened, so I need you to get a wrench and crank on them, okay?
Which ones?
I need, is it fueled? Are we fueled?
No, not yet.
I need,
We're getting on it. I'm getting on it. Matt, hold the brake.
We're good on fuel. We're good. Hold off on fuel.
can I see the timer?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Brake, please, brake, please.
Not on the brake.
I need the wrench on here. I only zip this one, zip it.
What
Get the
wrench?
other wrench. Get the Allen on the wrench.
I need the other Allen, please. The rounded Allen.
It's got to be under there with you guys. Look behind your shoulders.
I pulled it out already.
Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? I got this one. Hold on.
Matt, brakes?
Up.
You guys got drive line on?
Yes. Do not start the car though.
I don't know, hon. Let me look around you.
It's got to be on the ground in 3 minutes.
Okay, we can get it on the ground. Everything's good. We're just
Rotate.
we're just
Rotate.
double-checking
Brakes
the-
off. Brakes off.
Brakes off.
Hey, Justin.
Yeah.
Grab it.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. We're good.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. But I zipped it with a zip zip. Fuck.
How did we live? There were 2 Allens under there. There's a nut right here under the jump.
Clear the tools out.
I am. I'm looking for the Allen, Greg. You have it?
We're good. Zip's good for if we have to.
Send it. Slide them out.
Huh?
There you go.
This looks like this is a diff bolt.
What's the time? Get the deck lid on if we're not going to feel them. Get the deck lid on.
I can't read very well. I can't read very well, so.
218, 217.
Yeah. Sorry.
Just the jack underneath it.
Okay, cool.
The jack underneath it. Somebody put the deck lid. Somebody put the trunk on, please. I need an adapter.
2 minutes.
I need an adapter for this. I need a small adapter, quick.
Small man.
No, I need the driver. Half driver.
Have a driver.
What's the time?
140. You got 140.
1 minute. You got 1 minute.
Can somebody say time to get ill? Brakes, Matt. Brakes.
Brakes, Matt.
We're good. I'll get you on the ground before the time is down. It has to be down before 0, right?
Brakes. Off brakes.
Off brakes.
Off brakes.
Off brakes. Car needs to be on the ground.
Matt, we're good.
We got.
What time is it?
We got a minute 20.
119. 117. 116.
Got a minute.
110. Not saying the car has to be down on the ground at a minute.
At 0.
Before it's done, it has to be down on the ground and ready to go.
Okay. 105. 104.
You got 30 seconds.
Everything's clear, right?
If we just get to the top 32, we can.
Sir?
55.
Higher pressure! Higher pressure! Tire!
Drop it down.
I got
Oh, jack stand. Jack stand.
Jack stand.
Matt, we got it. Stop.
On a judge's call, so they should be able to protest that, right?
Yes, you. I got you.
Give me the time.
38. Going down, clear.
Matt, I got you. I got you, babe. Greg, what are you setting it to?
They're working on the stop.
Tire pressure!
They're working.
Somebody let the air out of that tire. Take it. Go.